Hey y'all, so let's just jump right into the video. Today I'm going to be using Clean and Clear Morning Burst Facial Scrub. And I'm just taking a little bit and placing it on my hands and just rubbing it all in my skin. So when you're doing this part, you really just want to make sure you get it all around your face. Like, you don't want to miss any part. So your eyelids, like all creases and crevices need to be filled with soap. And then I just take a wet rag and then I'm just washing like all of the soap and stuff off of my face. And then I take some water and just splash my face a few times to make sure I don't have any more soap on it. And then I scrub a few more times, splash it, and then I'm done. And now I'm just taking a dry towel and just drying my face off. And now I'm just taking the Clean and Clear Deep Cleaning Astringent, placing it on a cotton ball, and then I'm just going to wipe this all over my face. Now this stuff will burn a little bit or tingle a little bit if like you've been scrubbing your skin or you have dirt on your skin. But if you just have like pretty normal skin, you shouldn't really feel much, but you will feel like a little tingle. And you just want to put that all over because like it's basically just lifting the dirt off of your skin. And this is the dirt. And then so I'm just flipping the cotton ball over and then I'm using the other side. And then I'm repeating that process. So as you can see, like the dirt, it's a lot less dirt than it was. But now I'm going in with the Frey Skincare Revive Me serum. And I'm just placing that all over my face. And it's just really like a moisturizer. If you want to buy this product, you can follow them on Instagram at Frey Skincare and use my code XORomani. And after that, I'm just going in with some shea butter. You can really get this anywhere, so like Walmart, the beauty supply store, anywhere. But I'm just taking a little bit and then rubbing it all over my face, and it's just soothing my face and just making me, you know, glow and shiny and stuff like that. And I'm making sure I get that everywhere. And then I just put on some Vaseline so like my lips will also be moisturized. And then aside from the products that I use, I do also try to drink a gallon of water a day, so you should also try that. But yeah, that is really all for my morning skin routine. I really hope that this was a helpful video. So yeah, try to get all of those products and drink a lot of water so your skin can be clear. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter at XO_Romani.